Let's talk about how you can use the Level Beast platform to perform gamma research and deep research into the market, and why this is one of the most valuable tools you'll ever use as a trader. First, what is gamma research? Gamma research is the process of studying dealer positioning in the options market, where hedging pressure exists, where flips occur, and where walls of exposure pin price. Instead of guessing why the market stalls or accelerates, gamma research shows you the why behind the move. The challenge is understanding what you're looking at and translating that over to the charts. But you don't have to worry about that. Level Beast has an entire library of training dedicated to gamma and everything related to gamma trading. Why does this matter for you? Price doesn't just move randomly. Dealers are constantly hedging their books. When they are long gamma, markets stabilize. When they are short gamma, volatility expands. By seeing these levels in advance, you'll know where the pressure points are, and that knowledge changes how you plan your trades. How do you use the platform for gamma research? Inside Level Beast, under the Gamma tab, you'll find multiple charts and layouts that clearly map out gamma levels on your screen. Call walls and put walls show where the largest concentrations of exposure exist. Gamma flip levels highlight where dealers switch behavior from dampening volatility to fueling it. Net gamma charts reveal whether the overall market environment is supportive or hostile for momentum trades. This isn't just data for the sake of data, like many other platforms. At Level Beast, it's actionable data with context, showing you why it matters before the move happens. You can compare these levels to your own technical analysis and ask, is my hypothesis aligned with the flow? If it is, you can take the trade with more confidence. Here's an example. Let's say you believe the S&P is set up for a breakout. You check the gamma research and see a large node at 6,600 on SPX. Below that, a major call wall. Just above, a gamma flip. If price breaks toward that level but begins to fade, you know it's likely to prop the market up and hold. Momentum could expand sharply, and you can size your trade accordingly. On the other hand, if orders dissipate and gamma research shows strong positive gamma overhead, that acts as a ceiling. Dealers will absorb volatility, telling you the move may stall, and it might be time to adjust your expectations or pass on the trade. Of course, there's much more to gamma than what we can cover in a short 3-minute training. But the Level Beast platform is about more than just levels. We help you put context behind the market moves, so you understand not only the levels, but also the why behind them. Benefits of gamma research. Confirmation. It validates whether your trade thesis lines up with institutional flows. Risk awareness. It tells you when volatility is likely to compress or explode. Edge. It puts you on the same playing field as professional traders already trading off this data. Here's where the edge really comes in. You're not just looking at gamma research. You're combining it with Level Beast levels, magnet levels, and variance zones, giving you the highest probability setups and the most actionable trade signals possible. In closing, remember, gamma research isn't about predicting the market with guesswork. It's about confirming your hypothesis with hard data. When you combine your strategy with the gamma research inside Level Beast, you're no longer trading blind. You're trading with clarity, confidence, and the same tools Wall Street uses every day. That's the power of gamma research. That's the power of Level Beast.